times when we're camping, we cook on the grill, we cook on our griddle, we cook inside the camper, but I want to cook on our Instant Pot. And this is pretty easy if you like using an Instant Pot. I love using an Instant Pot. So that's what I'm going to cook on. And actually, I'm going to cook some sweet potatoes on Instant Pot. So let's do it. Okay, let me show you what I'm going to use. This is a Instant Pot. I think this is a 6 quart, and this is what they call a trivet. So I'm gonna put the trivet in here. Now, one thing that I like to do is go ahead and put the water in, and I just put enough water in to cover the bottom of that trivet. That's kind of my gauge, because I'm gonna put another trivet in there, this one, and this one opens up. It's pretty cool because it'll hold anything from that small to this big. So I'm gonna put the trivet in here like that, and I'm gonna use 4 small to medium sweet potatoes. I really like sweet potatoes. I think you can, I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing with just regular potatoes. Okay, next I'm gonna put the top on, and the Instant Pot has 2 settings, or the top has vented and sealing, and I'm gonna use sealing on this one. I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna set it. Now, this is really, when I say it's simple, guys, it's simple. I plan, let's say an hour, because it has to heat up, then it cooks, and then it cools down. I like for mine to naturally cool down. I've had the best success with them cooking all the way through like I want them if they naturally cool down. So I'm gonna cook it on pressure cook for 30 to 40 minutes, and then we're just gonna let the magic happen. So as this cooks, we'll see it's on, so it'll start heating up, and the pressure cooker cooks really good. It cooks thorough, as long as you get all the settings right, which is very easy. It's time and pressure, that's what it is. So we'll come back later on when they finish, and we'll take a look at them, and I will show you the finished product. Okay guys, the cook time has finished, and I'll let it sit here for 10 to 12 minutes, and it may have released, but we're gonna check it anyway. And you just go to vent, yep, like that. Be careful, because this when you do that, steam comes out, and you can get a little steam on your hands like I just did. So I probably could have let them release a little bit longer, but that's fine. That is fine. We'll just wait until it finishes. Okay, all of the steam has released. So let's take a peek here. Let me get that straight. Let's take a peek. Now this won't release unless it's safe to. So unless it's the right amount of pressure. And then we'll just lift that off, and there they go. 4 cooked sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness, look at there. Look at that. So while you're camping, a lot of times you have to use what you got or use what you can. And so we really enjoyed this Instant Pot because it is so versatile. I mean, where we would either heat up the camper, trying to cook these in the oven, or cook them in the microwave, especially during the summer. But these are ready to go. So all we need now is just some butter, a little brown sugar, and they are ready to go. Easy cleanup, just to show you how. Look at there. They are soft. They are soft. So just a little tidbit, if you are looking to get you some, probably can do potatoes, but sweet potatoes, you can cook them just like that while you're cooking something else on your Instant Pot, and boom, you're done. Okay, just thought of something. While we're cooking, we're gonna do frozen broccoli. And I don't know how this is gonna turn out, because, okay, frozen broccoli. We're gonna do the same thing. Put our trivet in there. And put the water in there till it comes to the bottom of the trivet. That's good. Take our frozen broccoli. Put it in there. And mind you, this is frozen. I'm gonna close the top. Now this time, we're gonna put it on steam I'm gonna put it on steam for 5 minutes. And let's see what happens. Always close your vent so that it can heat up and you're good to go. Okay guys, finished the broccoli, and there it is. Steam, oh, got the camera in the way. Steamed broccoli, just like that. Took about, I set it for 5 minutes, so it took it maybe 10 minutes to cook. So you can do it in the Instant Pot.